Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. Today, you will learn about singular and plural nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things or ideas. Nouns can be singular, one, or plural, more than one. A singular noun refers to one person, place, thing, or idea. Example: cat, book, apple. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Example: cats, books, apples. Rules for making plural nouns. 1. Most nouns, add s to the end of the noun. Dog, dogs. Car, cars. 2. Nouns ending in s, x, sh, sh, add s to the end. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Watch, watches. 3. Nouns ending in a consonant plus y, change the y to is. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. 4. Nouns ending in a vowel plus y, just add s. Toy, toys. Key, keys. 5. Nouns ending in f or fe, change the f or fe to ves. Leaf, leaves. Wife, wives. 6. Irregular nouns, some nouns have special plural forms. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.